Sunday, hooray! You know, in Ghanaian home, Sundays it's all about soup recipes or anything soup. And today we are making fufu with fresh tilapia light soup. Yes, Akpa, desti, every day, every vinto. That is what we are making. And if today is the first time here, hello, nice to meet you. We do easy cooking recipes, and if you're interested, please follow or subscribe for more videos, and please share to others. So I have cleaned my fresh tilapia very well with my lemon juice and salt, and now I'll just go ahead and use my paper towel to wipe the water or just make it dry. Okay, so after that I'm just going to add my marinade, and then we wait for the fish to marinate very well. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers and followers, for always watching my videos. So what I added was pepper, ginger, garlic, spring onion or scallions or green onions, any how you want to call it. I added some salt and then fish seasoning to it. We are just going to wait for a while and then we proceed. Merry Christmas and a fruitful new year in advance. Whilst we are waiting, we are just going to prepare our fufu. So in my cooking pot, I put some fufu flour. I've added some water to it. I'll just mix it very well and then prepare it. Thank you so much once again for your precious time. Now we are done mixing everything, and I have my vegetables on fire. That is my tomatoes, I have some onions, I have my carrot, red bell pepper, and if I did not say anything, I'll write it on the screen as well. So I added some turkey berries, okay, to it, and some garden eggs, boiled garden eggs, blended everything to the vegetables that we were boiling. And now that is what I'm straining. Okay, I will strain it very well. With today's soup, I did not add a lot of turkey berries. Okay, now let's pay attention to our fufu whilst the soup is on fire. You stir it very well so that it does not become lumpy. Okay, thank you once again. Have you subscribed or followed? If not, can you please do so for me? It is free. Yen Jessica. So please subscribe or follow for more videos for me. And if you finish subscribing, please do not forget to share to others. Now I'm just going to check on my soup once again. So I'll be adding my tomato paste. Okay, I realized that my tomatoes was not well ripe. Okay, so I had to add the tomato paste. Now this is where we've gotten to. Our fufu is just fufuyin, or it is just looking so good. It is not ready, but this is how our soup is also going. I will just add my tilapia to it. This is how we prepare our tilapia light soup in the water part of Ghana. It is so good. Try it and then you will love it. Okay, thank you once again. Now we are going to wait for the fish to cook very well. Whilst this is how our fufu is looking. Fufu is ready, as you can see, very ready. Okay, thank you once again for your time. You are already invited, even though the food is not ready. You are already invited. Okay, you can join us. Now this is how our soup is looking. I'm just going to add this, and this took the soup to the next level. My husband was like, today's soup was, oh my god. Yes, and my visitor enjoyed it. And my husband was like, so I'm jealous. You made the soup nice for Reverend and you didn't make it nice for me the other day. So it's a lie. That is just by the way. So yes, that is the fufu ready over there, and the soup is souping. The fufu was fufuing as well. Just look at that. The fish did not scatter. Okay, yes, it looks firm. Achesa, it's nananasu. Obi any accident won't quite. So what you say? Aha, they are all intact. Yes, and the soup tastes so good. I did not add any seasoning or any salt to the soup because of the marinade that I added. Okay, you know, it contains some salt, it contains some fish seasoning. We don't want a lot in our soup. Okay, yes. Now our soup is ready, and as you can see, this was very easy and simple to prepare, and above all, everyone enjoyed this. This was very delicious. Try the recipe and you will love it. Now let's serve the food, and just look at that. Oh my goodness, I just felt like eating it. Okay, yes, it is so good. The soup was very delicious, and oh my goodness, I wish you were here to taste it so that I won't talk plenty. Thank you once again for watching. So now my visitor told me I should add some ginger to it. See you in the next video. I love you. Take care.